Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm telling you about the website where you do practices and use the different tools that are available in this website and do practices. The website name is this is a website where you can do practices. There's a two option as join your class or start as a thinker. So if you are this website student or teacher, then you join the class. Otherwise, when you are joining yourself for your own practices, then you start like this. Create your personal account, as everyone has information about how to use this. There are many options like you sign in with email address, signing with Google, signing with Apple, and signing with Microsoft and Facebook as well as. So firstly, if you have doing the signing option with email address, then you have to put your country name, your date of birth. I usually prefer to do my signing with my Google account. I already signed it with this, so it is already mentioned. So if you want to change your information, personally information, you have to click there. There is a lot of option like change your picture, your surname, your little about yourself, select a role if you are teacher, student, parent, or you are own, or save the change. So okay, I'm starting the new one. I think okay. Now okay, firstly I have to delete. So okay, this is a surface where you can do your practices, like you have to use different shape to make different type of your project, like there is different type of shapes here. These are a basic shape like cube, box, cylinder, ball. Okay, now design. There's also a letter or numbers, creatures like their eyes, glasses also there. Okay, now machines, like tires, satellite, tools. There's also a different shape like these trees, as okay, hardware. There are tools. These are, if you click them all, you get more shapes about that. Okay, electronically, if you click more and you get more shapes as which option you choose. So games, like balls. See these balls. Everyday object like pins, mobile phone, or like tables. Um, okay, now as we are doing basic thing, so we have to do choose basic shape as we are starting. So you have to place your cube here. These are 5 versions, like 5 white dots. Each of them increase their size, like length. If you click as whole, it as this button shows to up your object, like this is button to share like this. You also put this down like this. Okay, ठीक is this is the copy, like this is the home view, as this is a zoom view. Also this is zoom. If you want to zoom, then press this button. This is called zoom button. This is minimize. Flat view like this, or yeah, cube. Yeah, this is a flat view of this. Okay, now when you select this is a copy button. As you wait, we have to do it same. And this is a paste button. You have paste it like this. And when wherever you want, you have to place it. And duplicate button is also like a copy paste button. You have to move where you wherever you want. Now this is a delete button, and if you want to undo, this is a undo. If you pass for redo, like you have to redo. This is a visible. Okay, now if you want to hide work on the one plane and want to hide the other, like select this, and this is hide it, and you have to work on one object. If you want to get it back the object, press the that button, show all. And this is when you select this group them. This is work like a group, like this they become a group. When you want to ungroup them, this press this they become oh yeah, this like this. This is a mirror button like this. Okay, when you have to rotate, first say like this. When you select, you have to rotate that. It is rotate like this. Oh. And if you want this, wherever you want to rotate, and is this like this. When you have to rotate in this way, that three buttons used to rotate your object. Now, like when you press the this face and click it any object, you have to place the object on other object, like okay, this this, and when you want to undo it, place this, and this is like this they. And if you want to group them, top view, select this and group them, like you have to move whatever you want. This scale is used like this. This is to tell you about the scale, to calculate your distance or size or length. This button is used for write a note on this, like clicking this to write anything, like and if you want to hide, then hide this. And so this, these are the, if you want to import your picture, click is here and you draw your picture on your picture. You make different project, different shapes, and export that window. If you have to send some person, you have to send this as a Google Class, or these are their email, invite your our email address. That's all about the today lecture. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. Goodbye.